how to change the date format on your calculator. Okay, now this is generally used when you're going to be using the bond function, because over there you have to put in the dates of the maturity of the bond, the current date, to calculate the accrued interest. So you have to put date in a particular order. Okay, now how do you change the date format? That is a core part that I'm going to be covering today. So basically, if you go to your calculator, press the second button and press the dot, which is the format button. Once you do, you will find a DEC on your calculator, and press down and down again. When you press down 2 times, you will either get Euro or US. Now what is this? This is basically the date format that we follow. So I am seeing right now on my calculator Euro, which means the format is DDMMYY, so date, month and year. But if I want to change it to US, okay, how can I do it? Press second and then enter. So once I do it, it will get changed to US, that is month, date and year. I can redo it back to European format, which is going to be second and enter also. So this is how you keep on changing your date format. Whichever format suits your need, you have to use that.